Work in tight spaces. Reduce your labor time. Uncover efficiency. Do it all with the Wraptor A6200 Wrap Printer Applicator from Brady. Brady's compact workhorse printer shows you what's possible with automated efficiency that's second to none. Hand wrapping each wire takes time that you could use on more important priorities. With the Wraptor A6200, you get a printed and wrapped wire in fewer than 7 seconds, half the time it takes to hand wrap. And it's sized just right. Fit the Wraptor A6200 into tight spaces and bring automation to the forefront. Its smaller footprint brings larger possibilities. An optional rewinder captures used liners to keep workstations clean and clutter-free. And since the Wraptor A6200 is small, there's more room for your greatest asset, your people, to keep production up and workflows moving, instead of wasting time walking to and from a different room to print labels. Add Brady Workstation software to the mix and you're working as effectively as you can. Easy material loading, a faster process, better manufacturing workflows. The Wraptor A6200 Wrap Printer Applicator is your one-stop complete solution. See the kind of efficiency that's possible today.